100,000 views. That is a milestone every YouTuber dream about. But here's the question: how much exactly does YouTube pay for that in Nigeria in 2025? You probably have a number in your head right now. Well, I'm about to show you the exact amount how much YouTube pay me for that. And let's just say it might completely surprise you. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods that can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. And if you got value from this video, do well to like this video and also drop your comment at the comment section. So let's dive into the video. So I will log into my YouTube studio, then I'll click on channel, then I'll click on view all. So I'll scroll down to the video that I want to talk about. So this is the video I'm talking about. Video has gotten 100k views, and this video was posted 5 months ago. So I'm going to click on the video to get more details. This video is about 14 minutes 16 seconds long. This video was posted 16th of February 2025. Video performance. This video is ranking 1 of 10, which is very good. Impression click-through rate 3.2%. Although it was higher than this before, but it has dropped because the views have gone down. That's why it has dropped down. Average view duration 3 minutes 7 seconds, which is also very good. So I'm going to click here to get more details. So this video has gotten 101k views. The watch hour that this video has gotten is 5.2k watch hour, which means if I have not monetized my YouTube channel before, only this video alone can qualify me for the watch hour to monetize my channel. The subscriber this video has given me is 4.2k subscribers. If I scroll down, the read time for the past 48 hours, this video has gotten me 93 views. So it's not getting view again like before, but it's a video of over 5 months. It's still getting little view. If I click on the reach, the impression reach of this video is 2 million impression reach. That means over 2 million people have seen my thumbnail on YouTube. How viewers find this video? These are the different ways viewers are able to discover this video. Browsing feature, which is the highest, other YouTube features, suggested video, direct and unknown, notification, YouTube search, external, and all the rest. Things people are searching to get this video. So these are the different things people are searching to get this video. So if you are creating this type of video, you can use from these terms to add into your video to optimize your video so that people can be able to search and see your videos. Content suggesting this video. These are different content that are suggesting this video. Playlist featuring this video. So these are the 2 major playlists that are featuring this video. So one of them is my playlist and another playlist from another creator that I don't know. So it's very important that you create a playlist for your video, because that will also help to increase your video reach. Let's go to audience. So unique views. The unique view has dropped down because the video is not getting views as before again. That's why the unique view has dropped down. Viewers also watch, so you can also see some of the videos that viewers that watch this particular video are also watching. So this will also enable you to create similar video that your audience will watch. Device type, the type of device that they are using. So mobile phone is the highest. You have computer, tablet, and TV. Age range of people that are watching this video, the highest age range is from 18 to 24. Then the gender of people that are watching this video, male and female. Top geographical locations. So these are the different locations people are watching this video from. Nigeria is the highest, which is 93.1%. Then we have Ghana, United States, Cameroon, and the United Kingdom. Watch time from subscribers. So non-subscribers is the highest, which is 95.6%. As for subscribers, it's just 4.4%. So which means we have more non-subscribers that are watching this particular video. So if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe so that anytime I post this type of video, you can be able to get the notification. And this will also help me to produce more videos. So let's go to the main cocoa of the day, which is the revenue. How much advertisers are paying? Now for every 1,000 view, that is the CPM of this video, cost per mil, advertisers are paying $1.89. that is for every 1,000 view of this video. So let me show you how much YouTube is paying me for every 1,000 view in this particular video. So for every 1,000 view in this particular video, which is the RPM, after YouTube have removed their percentage, for every 1,000 view, YouTube is paying me $1.05, and this video has gotten 100,100 views. The total how much I've gotten from this video is $105.28, which is also very good. So this is the total amount I'll be able to make from this particular video. So that is the exact amount YouTube pay me for 100,000 views as a YouTuber in Nigeria in 2025. Now this is just the raw figures, no guesswork and no hyping. And here's the takeaway: YouTube actually pays well. It is not about the view, it is about your audience, where they are watching from, and your niche and your strategies. If you got value from this video, do it to like this video and so drop a comment in the comment section. If you're here to subscribe to this channel, do it to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. If you want to get access to ways you can make money online, you can watch the video that is showing on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. So I will see you in my next video.